In a tragic incident at a construction site in Anjuna, a laborer from West Bengal lost his life after falling from the second floor of a building under construction. According to eyewitnesses, the laborer was working on scaffolding when he lost his balance and fell from the height, sustaining critical injuries. Despite efforts to provide immediate medical attention, he was pronounced dead upon arrival at a nearby hospital. The local authorities and police have launched an investigation into the incident, focusing on whether proper safety measures were in place at the construction site. Concerns have been raised over the safety protocols for workers, as accidents involving laborers have become a growing issue in the construction sector. The tragic death has highlighted the need for stricter enforcement of safety regulations to protect workers, particularly those involved in high-risk tasks. The contractor and site managers are expected to cooperate with the investigation to determine if any lapses in safety standards contributed to the incident.